In this video we are going to analysis our cloud server. To start our server, go to terminal. Write the comment, sudo service Apache2 start. Now our cloud server have started. Write the comment, ifconfig. This is our server private IP. Write this IP address to browser. This is our cloud server. Data from different places are stored here. Now we are going to create a new file called Kernigans. To create a new file, write the comment sudo nano/var/www/html/Kernigans. Press enter. This is the editing box. Here we can write text or scan data. There have a lots of options. Press Ctrl X to save the change. Now by reloading our browser we can see the new created file Kernigans. To edit any file, write the comment sudo nano/var/www/html/ the file name which one we want to edit. Here we want to edit Kernigans. Now we are going to scan data from a file. To do that, press Ctrl R. Write here the file name which one you want to scan. We want to scan the file 192.168.0.1. This is our data. We are measuring the pollution level of environment. Press Ctrl X to save. Here we can see our value in the cloud. We can also see this value from outside the same network. This value comes from Bata region. This from Danmandi region. From Kernigans area. From Lalbag. Mirpur. Mohammadpur area. Old Dhaka area. If you want to stop cloud server, write the comment into terminal. Sudo service Apache2 stop. For start again write, sudo service Apache2 start. That's all. All the best team UIU. This project have made by Farhan Sa, MD Junaid, Nur Junaid, and Muhammadul Kareem.